Alright, I got a 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This is the double cab short bed. I got the OEDRO tri-fold soft top cover on here. Had this for about a week now. This thing is great. This thing definitely meets what I wanted out of it. I've had the hard covers in the past. That was great. I liked it, but on the weekends when I had jobs to do, you know, I had to go to Lowe's, Home Depot, put plywood, fill it up with dirt. There's not a whole lot you can do with that big hard cover. This folds right up. I can throw it in the back seat. I can leave it at the house. You know, it's not real heavy. My wife can even get it done, get it out of the way. The install was super simple. I'm going to show you real quick how to take it and fold it up. Just pop down the tailgate here. There's just one little lever here. Fold that up and do the same over here. Fold that up, flip it over. Just gonna make sure these are down and out of the way here. Do the same over here. Flip it over. Come over here. Lash this up. Secure that. Come over here. Do the same thing. All right, now it's secured, out of the way. Easily load this up. If I really want to take it off, I can just undo that one and that one, just twist them off. It comes right off. You know, the install on this, super easy. It comes with 4 of these. They lock right into the bed rail channel. Quick Allen wrench that they provide. Screw it, tighten it in there. There's no drilling, no screwing, nothing. Simple Allen key. They provide everything. The whole install on this probably took me about 5 minutes to actually get it on there. Another 5-10 minutes just to tweak it, get it exactly where I wanted. Rain seal on this, the weather stripping. This thing held tight. I took it to the car wash yesterday. No water even got inside of it. I was really impressed. That's about it, guys. I mean, this thing is great. I would definitely give it 5 stars. I'm glad I spent the money on it. I'm glad I took a chance. I was a little bit hesitant. One thing that I do love, most of the soft tops, they have logos, branding, something right here. I like a really clean look. This thing is perfect. They don't add any extra logos or branding, which is a big thing for me. Let's tighten this back down here. There we go. Close it up, lock it, totally secure, ready for the next job. I would definitely give this 5 stars. This thing is awesome.